Namaste. Now we are going to learn the new topic that was Amazon rainforest. First, we're going to learn what is meant by Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, alternatively the Amazon jungle or Amazonia, is the most broadly tropical rainforest in the Amazon biomes. It covers most of the Amazon basin of South America. This basin encompasses of which are covered by the rainforest. This region includes territory belonging of 9 nations. Next, the majority of the forest is contained within the Brazil with 60% of the rainforest, followed by the Peru with 13%, Colombia with 10%, and with the minor amounts in Bolivia, Ecuador, French Guyana, Suriname, and Venezuela. 4 nations have Amazonas as the name of the one of the first level administrative region, and France uses the name via Amazonian Park for its rainforest protected area. The Amazon represents over half of the planet's remaining rainforest and comprises the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world, with an estimated 390 billion individual trees divided into 16,000 species. More than 30 million people of 350 different ethnic groups live in the Amazon, which are subdivided into 9 different natural political systems. Indigenous peoples make up 9% of the total population, with 60 of the groups remaining largely isolated. Now we are going to learn more information and more places in the Amazon. See also, first point, 2019 Amazon rainforest wildfires. Second point, Amania. Third point, Amazon Conservation Association. Fourth point, Amazon Conservation Team ACT. Fifth point, Amazonian Mantini. Sixth point, Amazon Surveillance System. Seventh point, Amazon Watch. Eighth point, Atlantic Forest. Ninth point, Bladirantis. 10th point, coordinating of indigenous organization of the Amazon River basins. 11th point, indigenous peoples in Brazil. 12th point, list of plants in the Amazon rainforest vegetation of Brazil. 13th point, Rainforest Action Network. Then more. Next video, Amazon Rainforest Part 2. We will see more about Amazon rainforest. Do you like this video? Do you learn about this video more? Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to receive all the notifications. Thank you.